Omurimo gw'okuhunduuza oruguuto rwa Kiryaani Rutete Kisura orwine kilomita 22 kandi rwa Miriyooni 10 niruza kumara ebiro 21 byonka kandi oruguuto oru niruza kukorwa ebyoma by'enguuto ebya disitulikiti ahansi y'enteekateeka eya mechanized routine maintenance kandi sente ezi niziza kuruga omu Uganda Road Fund.
Infrastructure development and economic services ni mwa pillars. Pillar number 2. Hata ejo ni shabangu kutukubantu improving infrastructure development in an area nchanchi tuyamba ku promotinga movement yebihingo. Mbwenu abantu ba Kagadi mwena na munonga abakuru gombi chwekebye mu sub counties ezi tinkwenda tutandiche kugamba ngo government tuyambereje.
Well, 100 million that we are investing on this road, in real sense, it wouldn't be enough because the road is done by the central government. For example, we have this road from Rutete to Rubona, a 6-kilometer road, but the central government invested 380 million Uganda shillings. But for us, we invest very little money. That's at times we make spot money. If we would be receiving more money, we would be doing some good recommended work.
Jennifer Chomuhendo Mbabazi omunyeshengerokazi wa district ya Kagadi kandi ori mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyenguuto mu district egi najangu batwire batine sente zo kuhunduuza enguuto ezi betu yajangu government ahansi ya road fund ebahire Miriyooni 32 okukora enguuto ezi.
Mbwenu hati nisima kureba ngu tubasize kutunga release twatunge sente zikwingana Miriyooni 32 ezikubanza ezikuruga mu road fund eze mahande je ya road fund yumwagambirwa heru kuza kukorwa iza kuba nemara hezo sente izaheri nanezindi ezendijo mahanda.
And the chairman LCA ones are here. You need to pay attention to that. You need to know, have we reached the 22 kilometers? That is the social vigilance that we are looking at.
Abatura babari aha mukoro ogwo basima government
rubire rutakirabwa mosirenka hano wanoza mpefu kine motoka yona yakubasa kurabamo habwe bina
abarwire tarabana n'abacara binenda amwe n'ubushobozi buri kugenda kubi mwatworo rugudo okay ruhanga bonje butegeje.
District ya Kagadi ino buringwa bw'enguuto bwa kilomita 307 eziri hansi ya district kandi umwaka ogwo district neza kukoraho kilomita 45 zonka habwe ibura rya sente. Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.